Hi everyone, Miss Wharton here. So I just wanted to show you this idea. It's not mine, but I've just seen it online. I thought it'd be quite fun for you to try. So I've just got some whiteboard pens here and I've just drawn a little simple picture on a bowl. Now what I'm going to do is really slowly add some water to the bowl. So let's see, hold on. Now my last one didn't work, so I'm hoping this one does. Oh, maybe not slow enough. Okay, ooh, okay. And then, once you've added the water, oh my gosh, the sun's losing one of its rays. Once you've added the water, apparently, if you do a bit of this, woohoo, you can, oh my gosh, he's lost his eye. Okay. Okay, so the idea is that it's really fun and you can make, whoa, you can make your picture move. Okay, you have a go and I'm sure yours isn't going to be much better than mine.